18, baka naman. Pwede naman siguro. We all know, pagdating sa SB19, hindi tayo palagi makipaggera. But let's face it, what if our strongest weapon right now is just by scrolling up? Let's make a conscious effort to stop the fan wars. Hindi dahil duwag tayo, but because we are smarter than that. Here is a quick, no-nonsense guide to protecting our peace and the boys' reputation. Number 1, the scroll-up strategy. May nakita kang post shading from other fandoms. If a post is for another artist, pero may parinig or may false claims about SB19, scroll up. Huwag ka nang pumasok sa lungga ng mga leon just to fight. Let them look foolish on their own. Remember the Summer Sonic issue na sinabi nilang sabit lang ang boys? Then, suddenly, the Supersonic CEO himself announced he personally scouted them in the Simula at Wakas concert in May 2025. Same with Lollapalooza. The organizer showed a pie chart proving it was a direct invite, no agency involved. When success is organic, it defends itself. Good karma lang mga kaps. If the post is a direct attacks against SB19, before you react, tanungin mo muna ang sarili mo mga kap. Is it actually offensive or are we just being overly sensitive? Let's admit it, sensitive talaga tayo kasi we know lahat ng pagod, hirap, sakripisyo, passion, dedication at gutom ng lahat ng pinagdaanan ng SB19. Pero pwede ba? Check nyo muna yung profile. Baka naman less than 20 followers lang yan. Troll lang yan. Don't give them clout. If you really must reply, please, keep it assertive but informative. And never ever drag their artist. And never make it personal. Nakaka-cheap. Number 2, clean your own backyard. If someone leaves a hate comment sa post mo, just delete it. Sure, engagement is great. Pero worth it ba ang stress? It will only ruin your followers' mood at mag-aaway-away lang sila sa sarili mong post. Make it a favor for us or do it a favor for us. Hit delete and move on. Handle YouTube reviews like a pro. Let's accept constructive criticism. Hindi lahat ng tao ay magugustuhan ng music ng boys, and that's fine. Kung hindi mo beta reactor, just unsubscribe. But if the reaction is toxic or unfair, correct them with facts in a professional manner. No need to be rude. And please, never bash other local groups. Nakakahiya. If kapwa Pilipino ang nagbabangayan online, keep it respectful because at the end of the day, pangalan ng SB19 ang madadamay dyan mga kaps. The ultimate revenge? Create content. Instead of wasting your energy arguing, turn that anger into productivity. Create your content celebrating SB19. Share their achievements, highlight their talents, and post their funny bloopers which proves how authentic they are. Makikita ng mundo na may kanya-kanya silang identity at unique ang bawat isa sa kanila. Make it a habit. Every time you see a false claim, counter it by creating a positive, fact-based video. Hindi mo lang naipagtanggol ang malima the right way. Natuto ka pang mag-edit. Who knows, baka mapagkakitaan mo pa yan. Paldo na yan, Kap. Let's elevate the fandom culture 18. Please, let's try at least one single steps. And before we knew it, wala nang mag-i-engage sa fan war. Let's do it for the boys, please.